Will NVIDIA stock reach 500 during 2025? As the leader in AI innovation, NVIDIA is shaping the future of technology. In this video, we will explore the latest performance, upcoming earnings, and bold predictions for where NVIDIA might be heading. So like, subscribe, you don't want to miss this. Let's talk NVIDIA. First, let's recap how NVIDIA has been performing. The company has been on fire, dominating the AI and semiconductor space. As of their last quarterly report, NVIDIA posted some truly jaw-dropping numbers. Revenue hit $18.12 billion, marking a 206% year-over-year growth. Earnings per share skyrocketed to 3.71, more than 12 times higher than previous year. And let's not forget the data center revenue, $14.5 billion, up an astounding 279% year over year. These numbers reflect the sheer demand for NVIDIA's AI-focused products, particularly in the data center market. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, and NVIDIA is leading the charge with its cutting-edge GPUs. Mark your calendars, folks. NVIDIA's next earning report drops November 20th, and expectations are sky high. Analysts are forecasting revenue of approximately $20 billion for this quarter, along with earnings per share around $0.70. If they hit or even exceed these numbers, the stock could see significant movement. But let's dig deeper. Why are analysts so optimistic? It boils down to few key factors. First, continued AI demand is driving growth. Second, NVIDIA's new product launches like the Blackwell GPUs are poised to revolutionize the market. And third, the company maintains a commanding leading in AI hardware with little sign of losing its edge. We'll also be watching for updates on gross margins and supply chain dynamics, two areas that can make or break investor confidence. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. NVIDIA isn't just a tech company, it's a driving force behind the AI revolution. From autonomous vehicles to cloud computing, NVIDIA's GPUs are powering the future. But the journey isn't without risks. Competition from AMD and other players is heating up. Plus, macroeconomic factors like interest rates and potential recessions could impact growth. These are challenges that investors need to keep in mind. All right, now let's talk predictions. Where could NVIDIA stock be by the end of 2025? While no one has a crystal ball, here is my take based on current trends and data. In a bullish scenario, NVIDIA capitalizes on its leadership in AI hardware, particularly in data centers. Demand for GPUs like the A100 and H200 continues to surge as industries from healthcare to finance adopt AI technologies. In this case, NVIDIA stock could soar to between 400 to 500 per share by the end of 2025, representing a roughly 2.5x increase from today's levels. In a base case scenario, NVIDIA continues to grow, but at a more moderate pace. Maybe competition heats up or the global economy slows down slightly, tempering demands for its products. In this case, I see stock trading between 250 and 300, still solid gain from today's price. And finally, in a bearish scenario, risks like increased competition, supply chain challenges, or a global economic slowdown could push NVIDIA stock down 150 to 200. While this wouldn't be great for long-term holders, it could present a buying opportunity for those who believe in the company's future. My personal prediction, given NVIDIA's market dominance and the ongoing AI revolution, I lean towards a price range 300 to 400 by the end of 2025. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Please always do your own research. So here are the key takeaways from this video. First, NVIDIA posted record-breaking revenue and earnings in the last quarter, driven by AI demand. Second, the upcoming earnings report on November 20th is expected to be another blockbuster. Third, NVIDIA's leadership in AI and new product launches position it for continued growth. Fourth, risk includes competition, supply chain issues, and macroeconomics factors. And finally, by the end of 2025, NVIDIA's stock price could range from 150 to 500 depending on market conditions. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's dig in NVIDIA's chart. This is the NVIDIA and the weekly, and as we can see, for now, the second week of November, no price action whatsoever on NVIDIA, with 143 is the short-term support. Overall, on the midterm, since September, we are in an uptrend, and since the low of September until the high of this week, 50% in just under 2 months. 2 months. Now, on the higher time frame, we can see that we are inside an uptrend channel with 135 area. All this area needs to hold the support. Long continuation towards the end of 2024, we might even see 165. But remember, earnings coming up November 20th, Wednesday, after the closing bell. So that's a wrap for today's episode on NVIDIA. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.